Special delivery.
Like a scarf, we'll pull up on the boat right next to your boat.
You can put that on the table.
Yeah.
That can make a great or you can make yourself a
Look at
yeah, they're acting everything. Look at that.
That's how yeah.
One time. Then you'll come back and pick it up. Or do it at all.
Okay, take this.
All right. No. Thank you.
This Egyptian money or American dollar? This
Egyptian pound.
Egyptian pound.
For one, no two, no.
Okay, do you want this one or this one?
Blue one.
Blue one. We have green. We have green. You want the green?
You have green?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Green color.
Yes.
This fantastic.
Green for 500. Yes.
The one carpet, okay, 1,000, but the table closed for 5, okay. Look, your hand, come back this.
Ready?
Good basket, I like it. My friend, Bill.
Ready?
I like your wife. How many will you have wife?
3.
Hey, I give you 5, but give me this.
I'll give you give me the green carpet, I'll give you my wife.
Hey, no, I give you 12 like this, but give me my wife.
He sits on the edge of that boat. Just like in a permanent squat. It's pretty amazing. I wonder why Americans don't sit like that.
Because we're too fat.
Why did you look at me when you said that? This is a very cool house along the Nile. Look at that. Beautiful.
And the beachfront? Exotic.
We're on the Nile River in Egypt. I'm on Banana Island. I'm in an African banana farm here in Egypt. This is awesome. We even got to take bananas with us.
Bananas!
Look how many we got. That's my cruise wife, Erin.
Number 3.
My third wife. I offered her up, for a green scarf. They still wanted the 100 or 600 Egyptian pounds. They said it wasn't a good deal, so screw them. That is a real crocodile.
Oh, yeah.
That's a catfish it's about to eat. Goodbye, Aswan. Goodbye, temples. Goodbye, Abu Simbel.
Hungry. Who said they don't have?
Oh, okay, I'll give you one, little monkey.
From that one there, from bottom.
There you go. Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Wait. I give you one more.
For the little baby.
This one was a baby, the mother.
Oh, there you go. Don't steal that. Oh, someone tried to take it. Good. There, she got it.
Anyone will take more? Ah, you eat quickly, man.
In her lap.
Here. In the hand hard.
The monkey likes to swing.